Got a 120 miles on the speedo so far. Only about 13 have been off-road. So I'm gonna go to the driver's side lower front A-arm, and when you move the wheel, or excuse me, do the upper A-arm this side. Rotate the wheel, the A-arm slides back and forth on the bolt. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but get a lot of movement at the end of the front A-arm. And go around to the passenger side. Lower side is worse on this one. Move the wheel. That's in and out. I don't know if you can see the front or the top upper arm, but it's got slack too. Notice this when I had hit some bumps or something, usually when they slow down. So anyway, probably be taking this back to the shop. If not, maybe talking to AJ about a bushing kit.